Imagine your home filled with vibrant flowers blooming almost all year long. These incredible indoor plants don't just add color, they bring life, beauty, and a cheerful atmosphere to every room. From elegant blossoms to bright, eye-catching blooms, there's a perfect choice for every plant lover. Let's discover the most amazing indoor flowering plants that bloom abundantly and keep your home looking spectacular. Begonia tuber hybrida is a spectacular indoor flowering plant admired for its large, rose-like blooms in shades of red, pink, yellow, orange, and white. Its lush green foliage beautifully complements the vibrant flowers, creating a stunning display. With bright, indirect light, consistently moist but well-drained soil, and moderate humidity, this begonia can bloom for several months. Remove faded flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming and maintain a healthy appearance. Although often grown outdoors in cool climates, it also thrives indoors with proper care, making it an excellent choice for adding long-lasting color and elegance to your home. Geranium or Pelargonium hortarum is a classic flowering houseplant that stands out for its bold colors and long blooming season. Its compact growth and vibrant flower heads make it perfect for bright indoor spaces. When given plenty of sunlight, occasional feeding, and proper watering, this plant rewards you with continuous blooms from spring through fall, and sometimes even longer indoors. Geranium is also loved for its lightly scented leaves and easy care nature, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced plant lovers who want non-stop floral beauty. African violet or St. Paulia ionantha is a compact houseplant celebrated for its velvety leaves and charming blooms that can appear almost year-round. Its flowers come in beautiful shades of purple, blue, pink, white, and even bicolor varieties, adding elegance to small indoor spaces. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers evenly moist soil without wetting its fuzzy leaves. With warm temperatures, moderate humidity, and regular feeding, African violet blooms repeatedly, making it one of the most rewarding indoor flowering plants for homes, offices, and windowsills. Gloxinia or Sinningia speciosa is a breathtaking indoor flowering plant admired for its large, velvety, trumpet-shaped blooms in vibrant shades of purple, red, pink, white, and blue. Its lush, soft green leaves beautifully highlight the colorful flowers, creating a striking display. Gloxinia thrives in bright, indirect light, warm temperatures, and high humidity. Keep the soil lightly moist while the plant is actively growing, but avoid overwatering. With proper care, it produces an impressive burst of blooms that can last for weeks, making it a spectacular choice for adding elegance and color to any indoor space. Christmas cactus or Schlumberger bucklei. It surprises many people by blooming when most houseplants are slowing down. Its arching, segmented stems become covered with elegant, dangling flowers that create a waterfall of color during late fall and winter. This long-lived plant can thrive for decades and often becomes more impressive with age. It enjoys a cozy indoor environment with filtered light and occasional watering once the soil begins to dry. Given the right conditions, it will reward you with a spectacular floral display year after year, becoming a cherished holiday tradition. Flaming Katy or Kalanchoe blossfeldiana is proof that a small plant can make a big impression. Despite its compact size, it produces masses of bright blooms that almost hide the foliage beneath. The flowers stay fresh for an exceptionally long time, making it one of the longest blooming indoor plants. Because it stores water in its thick leaves, it forgives occasional missed waterings and is ideal for busy plant owners. Give it a sunny spot and a little care, and Flaming Katy will reward you with a dazzling display of flowers that instantly brightens any room. Flamingo flower or Anthurium andrinum is admired for its glossy, heart-shaped blooms that look polished enough to be artificial. Available in striking shades of red, pink, white, and even green, its colorful bracts can remain attractive for months, making it one of the longest-lasting indoor flowering plants. The deep green foliage provides a beautiful contrast, giving the plant an elegant, tropical appearance. It flourishes in warm, humid conditions with bright, filtered light and rewards consistent care with fresh blooms throughout the year, adding a touch of luxury to any indoor setting. Peace lily or Spathiphyllum wallichii. It brings effortless elegance to indoor spaces with its graceful white blooms rising above rich, glossy green leaves. Unlike many flowering houseplants, it thrives in lower light conditions while still producing beautiful flowers several times a year. The blooms can last for weeks, giving the plant a fresh and refined appearance. Peace lily also signals when it needs water by gently drooping, then quickly revives after watering. Its combination of easy care, lush foliage, and recurring blooms makes it a timeless favorite for homes and offices alike. Moth orchid or Phalaenopsis amabilis is prized for its elegant, butterfly-like flowers that bring a touch of luxury to any indoor space. Each arching flower spike carries multiple blooms that can remain fresh for 2 to 3 months, making it one of the longest-lasting flowering houseplants. Available in different shades of color and patterned varieties, it creates a stunning display with minimal effort. It thrives in warm indoor conditions with bright, indirect light and occasional watering, rewarding patient care with spectacular blooms that return year after year. Cyclamen or Cyclamen persicum is a charming indoor flowering plant known for its elegant, upswept petals that seem to float above beautifully patterned, heart-shaped leaves. Blooming in shades of pink, red, white, and purple, it brings vibrant color to your home during the cooler months when many other plants are dormant. Cyclamen prefers a cool, bright location with indirect light and careful watering to keep its tuber healthy. With the right care, this graceful plant produces an impressive display of long-lasting flowers, making it a standout addition to any indoor collection. Purple shamrock or Oxalis triangularis is a truly eye-catching houseplant admired for its deep purple, butterfly-shaped leaves and delicate flowers that create a striking contrast. Its foliage opens wide in daylight and gently folds closed at night, adding a fascinating touch of movement to your indoor garden. Small white or soft pink blooms appear above the dramatic leaves, bringing extra charm for weeks. Thriving in bright, indirect light with moderate watering, purple shamrock is an easy-care plant that combines colorful foliage and graceful flowers in one unforgettable display. Lipstick plant or Eschinanthus radicans is a stunning trailing houseplant famous for its unusual flower buds that resemble tubes of lipstick before opening into brilliant scarlet blooms. Its cascading stems and glossy green leaves make it perfect for hanging baskets or elevated shelves, where the flowers can be admired from every angle. Blooming several times a year under bright, indirect light, this tropical beauty adds vibrant color without demanding constant attention. With moderate watering and a little humidity, the lipstick plant rewards you with a spectacular display of exotic flowers and lush trailing foliage. Wax plant or Hoya carnosa is a beautiful indoor climber that rewards patience with clusters of star-shaped, porcelain-like flowers. Each fragrant bloom looks as if it has been crafted from wax, creating a truly unique display against its thick, glossy leaves. Once mature, the plant flowers repeatedly from the same spurs, producing blooms year after year. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers to dry slightly between waterings. Easy to care for and incredibly long-lived, the wax plant is a perfect choice for anyone who loves elegant, fragrant indoor blooms.